Welcome my friends, this is Ramashama here and this is part 9th of Reactor to DOM series. So we are creating our custom Reactor to DOM here, and till now we have done the params route, so routes with the multiple params that we have done, and we have done the go back as well as navigate, and we have created the use navigate, etc. and everything. So today in this video we are going to create use params. So here for this params route we are going to create the hooks. So if you don't want the params from the props, you can get that from the hook as well. So without wasting any time, let's create it. So let's go back to the coding section here, and here this one is our routes. So let's go to the hooks here. Here actually we have all the params and we have the match route, and in the match we are getting the params here. Okay, so what we do here, so whenever like you will go to the routes, and in the routes we have one thing, so that is a current route, and current route is checking the route here as a type, and in the that particular route type, let's go there, and here we have a params already available, so we are going to utilize this route only. So let's do this. So just we are going to the hooks, and here I'm going to create use params dot tsx, and after that I'm going to take the help of this use routes only. So I'm going to copy the code of this and paste it here, so it's gonna be a interesting. And we have a use router and we are using the use router, and from here what we need the current route. I'm wondering if we are passing the current route. Let's go to the context, and here we are actually not passing the current route, so let's pass this as well. So instead of that, let's pass the params, and params will be of type record, and we will have that of string and string, or this can be anything, but by default we will always have a string in the routes. And after that, here we are going to pass that. Here we have the params, and actually we have a get params here, so from here we can easily get all the params. That's interesting, so we can utilize this one as well. That's not an issue. Let's write the current route params. Current route is not available. Let me see what's that here. It's actually the router and we just have the routes. That's strange. So let it be get params only. So that's great. So just we are going to call the get params and it will give us that. It's good enough. Let me remove this. We actually don't need this anymore. So just we are going to directly get params from here, and we are going to pass get params and params as get params. That's it. And let's pass the hook here. Export use params from use params, and am I right? Yeah, it will be use params. That's great. And let's go here to the hooks. It's looking good, and let's go to the parameterized component, or let's create another component here. So here instead of this parameterized component for the id age, let it be parameterized hook component. Let it be like this. I'm copying this and let's go to the components, and in the components I'm going to create this one, and let's add the parameterize this the same name and export default the same name. And from here I'm just going to import from library and hooks. We don't have any module like that, so it will be from the hooks, and we will import like useParams, and I think we can import this from the library itself as well. Yeah, it is not having anything. We just have to import that from the hooks and just type return, and we are going to return anything, for example paragraph, and here we are going to get the params, and let's JSON stringify those. JSON.stringify.params. Here we go, and let's go back here and import the component, save it. Now let's see what we are getting here, and we have the age. I'm going to refresh it. Actually it got crashed, I think. Let's see, it got updated, and we have the parameterized hook component as well as this. Let's see what got crashed. Oh, actually it is 5173. Here we go. So we have a JSX here, so that is ID, and we have a age. That's great. And let's navigate to the height one. Here we go. Here we have the like 5.11 height, and that's the same one. Yeah, so we have 20, 22, and our hook is working perfectly. And let's go back to the same component, and here what we are going to do. So here let's try the get params, so it should work same. We have the get params, save it, go back. Here we go. Let me refresh it. We have the same result. So this means that our useParams hook is working good. So we have a useParams basic hook. So that's great. So for today this is enough, and in the next video we are going to create a nested routing. So at last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next weekend.